Hello everyone and welcome to a new service tonic video. In this video, we will give you an overview of the preferences. To access the preferences, we must click on the agent icon in the upper right corner, Preferences. From this section, we can edit all agent preferences such as email, we can modify the agent's email, availability. We can change the agent's availability. If the agent is marked as unavailable and has automatic team assignments, no new tickets will be assigned. Default service. If the agent belongs to more than one service, the default service can be selected. Auto refresh. We can also set the time in minutes for auto refresh in the dashboard. Show in view. We can also define the number of tickets to be displayed by default in the view. Startup module. We can also choose the startup module, which could be the home module, service desk, problems, or CMDB. First day of the week. We can also indicate the start day of the week for the agent. Default visibility. We can also select the default visibility for the agent. Auto assignment team. If the agent belongs to more than one team, we can also choose the default auto assignment team for new tickets. Default quick search. We can also indicate whether to search by ID, title, contact, or even content. We also have the option to open tickets in a new window. We also have the option to maintain criteria in searches. And if the chat module is available, we can set our nickname here. In other words, the name that will appear in our chat. We also have the menu type. In this case, vertical fixed. This is the menu that we see here on the left. So let's say we only want to see icons here. So we can change to vertical only icons and save. And as we can see here, we only see the icons. Now let's talk about the views. On the right, we see all available views, and on the left, all unavailable views. We can select and add a view to the list of visible views. To mark a view as a favorite, simply check the favorite option. Now let's talk about the favorites. This section shows all saved favorite links in the menu. To save a current page as a direct link, add it to the menu as a favorite, give it a title, and save it. We can add it to the menu by clicking here. Give it a title and save it. Now let's talk about the regional settings. As we can see here, we can select the language, change the date format, and also the time zone. We can also change the agent's password. We also have the option to add a signature at the end of ticket actions, with the choice to add it automatically. And finally, we can also update or upload the agent's photo. And this concludes the video on preferences. For any questions, comments, or suggestions, you can contact our support team through the usual channels. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.